behind Nelson. Nelson going to hand it off to Coleman. Coleman goes out to the left. Great blocks by the O-line. Breaks the tackle. He's going out to the left sideline. Definitely gained him a few yards. Had to work for it there, Aiden.
Yeah, I mean, he broke 3-4 tackles, and 2 of them were behind the line of scrimmage. Really good play. Cut back to the left after exposed gap on the right side. Just smart football by Jonah.
Kieran gets it. Kieran gets it and passes it to Alexa. Alexa sends a through ball to Lexi, and they're now off. But it goes out. And it's now the other team's turn. And he now passes it to Rowan, but the other team gets it.
Hey, Ro, don't do that. Kira, stay on 30.
Kira gets it. Still has it, but it goes out for a white throw-in.
Turn by Town. Set up to Reynolds. Great play. High IQ just lightly taps the ball over the net and hits down on the floor. 3-3, folks. Abby Reynolds has been great at doing that all year. She just hits the ball lightly over the net just to get over the front line, and it drops down. Now for Oak Ridge, Natalie Kolfescu to serve. Hit back. Hillsdale's got it, though. Set it up to the outside. Jessica Dean hits it over, but it goes out of bounds. 4-3 Oak Ridge.